All right, folks, let's take a look at this car that I detailed earlier. These were those severely stained seats, and they are that light color. Remember those big heavy stains I was telling you guys that they had to dry? I thought I was gonna have to hit them again. Turns out I don't have to hit them again. They actually turned out phenomenal. There is a big cigarette burn. Keep in mind, this is rental cars. These seats came out phenomenal. This is the side that had that big coffee stain. And you guys can just see, this is the power of steam. I use steam on every car. People are scared to use steam, but not me. You just got to know how to use it, guys. So these seats came out absolutely great. This interior turned out phenomenal. So I know the guys over at Enterprise Rental Car, they will be happy with me. And we'll go over here and check out the other two that I did today. And here's another one that I did. This is the one, if you guys saw my other video, I did find some counterfeit money right up there while I was cleaning the headliner. This is a Hertz rental car, and it turned out really good too. So let's go check the last one. Yeah, this is my next one that I'm working on, guys. Paint correction. See all those swirl marks? We are going to transform this car for you guys before your eyes, but let's not get distracted. All right, third and final one today. It was a Chrysler Town & Country. Another rental car, guys. So tip of the wise, if you're in the detail industry, window tint industry, PPF industry, or these automotive industries, is find you some good accounts that can pay your monthly. That way the customers that you get are basically extra. And then you'll be able to save, you'll be able to get a good nice shop and live the dream and build a good clientele. Just do good work out there. As long as you're doing good work and you're honest with people, then they'll come back and you can build something phenomenal. After all these years, I'm proud to say I'm the owner.